Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm showing you exactly how to build a Clayagent, that's Clay's AI powered workflow agent that can automate hours of manual research, data collection and outbound tasks. Now, if you have never ever built a AI agent or never gotten into it but were curious enough to see how to build one, then this video is for you. So first, what is a Clayagent? A Clayagent is essentially an AI agent inside Clay that acts as your personal AI research assistant that can search the web, visit web pages, pull company or person data, clean it, format it, and automate multiple tasks all on its own. So you can think of it as a chat GPT with a data scraping agent with enrichment with outreach all in one single loop. Now let's quickly move into see how to build one. So for this particular tutorial, what I'm going to do is I'll first of all start by showing you how to access the platform and where can you find the space to build an agent. Now over here, when you navigate from the home to the Claygents section, this is wherein you can build a custom Claygent as per whatever task you're looking at. So we click on new and we see that there are two options. You can either create one manually or create from the templates that they have provided. Let's quickly explore what all templates do they have. Now when I click on the templates, as you can see, it has multiple options wherein anything related to doing research or finding certain data points can be done through Clay. They have given examples wherein if you have, say, the person's name, the company name, and their domain, and you are looking to find their LinkedIn profiles, then you can. This is an ideal use case for, say, people who have some raw data from any source, wherein you have these three basic details, and you want to find if the person is on LinkedIn or not. There are more detailed agents that we have built that help you in terms of matching the best fit case study for a company profile. Now, say in a case when you want to target a specific industry, say logistics industry is something that you want to target, and you are looking to create or share a use case or a case study that is relevant to that company, then that agent helps you in doing that. More on it, if you want to define or classify a company based on a specific segment, whether they are a B2B company or a B2C company, they have created an agent for that. So there are multiple such agents. I would want you guys to explore this and what all other use cases are there that can be relevant for you. Coming back to building one on our own. So what do we need to do is again go to new, create manually, and over here we need to add a prompt as to what is it that we want to build over here. Now, for this first use case, what we're going to do is we're going to find a set of competitors if we just have the company name in place. Now, this is useful in scenarios wherein I have, say, a set of clients who belong to a particular industry, and I know that my solution can work out for all of their competitors as well. So, how do I find them? And one way to do this manually is going on LinkedIn, seeing the similar company pages section, or going on Google, searching for competitors. So there's a lot of manual work that we can do. But how do we automate that is what we're going to see over here. The first thing that we have is the model selection. So Clay gives us options to select from multiple AI agents, be it of ChatGPT, be it of Cloud, be it of Google's agent as well. So in this case, let me just go ahead with the set agent, that is GPT-4o. Now I'll enter my prompt over here, wherein simply I'll type in that create a list of competitors based on a company name. Now for company name, what I'm going to do is I'll add it as a variable. So for adding a variable, I need to add two curly brackets and then mention company name. And as you can see, it got highlighted as a variable. So what I'm now further going to do is I'll refine this prompt. So I'll click on refine over here and I'll give the exact prompt that I'm looking for based on company name and search different websites to get the data. Okay, and I'll click on refine. So what this does is it analyzes and refines that exact prompt that I've put in. And as you can see, it has refined it and I'll accept that change and then I'll save this particular agent. Now, if you're looking for optimizing this prompt further, what you can also do is you can go on ChatGPT and you can ask them to give you a particular prompt that gives you that exact details. So what I did over here is I have created an example wherein I asked ChatGPT itself to create that entire prompt for me. So as you can see over here, it has given me that prompt that you're a computer mapping agent and this is what you have to do. This is how you can create a more detailed prompt as well. Further, when I actually go back over here, the next part is to test it out. So for testing it out, we can add our own test cases or we can even generate test cases. So the AI agent is so much embedded into Clay that if I don't want to manually add the test cases, if I have it, that's good. But if I don't want to manually add, it can generate those test cases as well. Now, say for example, it has created a test case of these 5 companies. When I click on run all, what it's going to do is going to start generating for all of this. Now, as I mentioned over here that I wanted to search through different websites, so you can see the progress. It's first of all searching on Google. It has put in that query that for this company, I want the competitor list. And that is how it is generating. Now, further, it is visiting the multiple websites. And then finally, I have that list of competitors with me over here. Now, this is basic example of how this agent will work once I deploy it. And that is how easy it is to build an AI agent or a Clayagent using Clay. Wherein whatever research you want to do, you just need to define a proper prompt, test it out, see across multiple use cases. So these are say AI generated use cases, but if I have specific use cases for a specific set of companies, I can even do that. And once this is done, all I need to do is just save and publish. And I can use this agent at any given point of time in any of my data sets that I'm creating on Clay. So this was about it. This was how easy it is to create an AI agent on Clay within seconds with just a few proper prompts and test use cases. So if you found this useful and if you have any specific use cases in mind that you would want me to test out, please do put it up in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel for more